Okay, let me first start out by saying I am punching the air because during the first, I'm gonna say 8 to maybe 12 clips or so, I had the camera on the wrong setting. I did not set up the camera like I should have and read the guidelines and not guidelines, but read the instructions and all that as far as the setup because I was just pressing buttons, testing stuff out. And so I had this camera on slow-mo, y'all, and I had it set up to where it was silent. And I didn't realize this until later on once we got to the mall. But right here, I was basically just telling y'all what me and Madison were gonna do. So the plan was to go to the car wash and then to go do a little bit of shopping. And I was basically just telling y'all about my outfit, just a comfortable everyday look. I had on my Snatch Me Up leggings that I sell on my website, Nugent, and then I had on my comfortable black Converse because they're super comfortable. And then I had on a t-shirt from our friend's brand. I will tag it if they're still available. It says I am my own asset. And then here I put on my denim on denim jacket. I grabbed my Birkin bag because I needed a big bag to carry all of my vlogging accessories for the day because this was my first day out with my camera and I'm honestly not used to having all this extra stuff, so I wanted to make sure I had a big bag. So yeah, that's the look. And then once I got in the car with Madison, I was basically just telling y'all that I was headed to the car wash. We ended up going to the Fuel City car wash because my cousin actually told me that they do a really good job with cleaning your car. I was telling him every time I go through these drive-through car washes, they always leave the back dirty, and I'm always upset about it every time I go. But he told me they do a really good job, so that's where we went. We went ahead and went to Fuel City. Okay, so right here I was basically just telling y'all how instead of having one person at the back of your car with the brushes to get the back clean, they had 2 people. So I was impressed by that, so I had to go ahead and mention that. I honestly don't remember what else I was saying on this clip, but I think I was pretty much just kind of giving y'all my excitement about what I thought about the car wash. And so then we came out and we went to the section where they hand dry it off and do your tire shine and all that, and then we headed to the mall.
It's about damn time. In a minute, I'ma need a sentimental man or woman to pump me up. Feeling fussy, walking in my Balenciagas, trying to bring out the fabulous. Cause I give a fuck way too much. I'ma need like 2 shots in my cup.
Okay, so this is right before I realized I had, the wrong setting on the camera. But I was just basically telling y'all we were going to do a little bit of shopping and then grab some food at the food court.
I've always been the one to say the first one. Had to love and lose 100 million times. Had to get it wrong to know just what I like. Now I'm falling.
All right, y'all, we are in Children's Place. Madison is picking out some shirts. This is the one right here, Madison. The one with the lady with the phone and the LOL and all that. That's real cute. So we're letting Madison pick out some shirts so she can start getting ready for spring. Even though we're technically in spring, the weather just don't reflect it. And we'll check back in with y'all in a little bit. The mall is pretty packed today. Yeah, so we'll check back in with y'all in a little bit. We'll go to the food court soon. I'm gonna let her pick what she wants to pick here. And my bag kind of heavy today, so I'm not able to hold the camera like I want to. So I'm gonna end the video here and we'll check back in with y'all in a minute. All right, y'all, so we decided to come to Chili's. It's not very many places to choose from at the mall, so we decided to come to Chili's. And this table kind of small since it's just me and Madison. So I'm not gonna be vlogging while we're eating. We're just gonna continue to vlog once we leave here because the table is very small, very small. All right, y'all, we just finished up. I don't like this glare on my glasses. I'm gonna take them off. We just finished up at the mall. We went to Children's Place, as y'all know, and then we were gonna eat in the food court, but Madison decided that she wanted the Chili's that was like a part of the food court or whatever. So that's where we went. Y'all, the mall was so packed. I thought I was in a shopping mood. I do not like being at the mall or really nowhere when it's like super overly packed, when it's shoulder to shoulder. I don't like that because it just messes up the whole shopping experience. So with that being said, I cut this trip a little short. My plan was to hit up like, you know, good amount of stores or whatever, but it was just too packed. I forgot that spring break was going on still, so that would explain, y'all. It was families. I'm talking about these families was like 10 plus people deep, standing in a way, sitting there getting the babies. Bruh, get out the way. Like, if you're going to be getting your family together and all of that, slide to the side. Like, I have courtesy when I'm doing stuff like that, you know what I'm saying? Like, I get to the side. For people to just have a big group of people and to be sitting there, just sitting there, literally sitting there, is not cool. And that just messed up my whole little vibe. So we about to head on back to the house. I'm about to mount this phone to this windshield. So I'm gonna mount this to the windshield, and I'm gonna have to figure out another mounting situation for y'all in this camera, because I got it on the tripod now because we just sitting here or whatever. But the windshield mount that I had for the that I have for the iPhone, it doesn't detach, I don't think, for this camera. So I think I'm going to have to get another type of dash or windshield mount for the camera, because it ain't looking too good as far as that mount. So yeah, y'all, shopping is over. We're about to head probably back to the house. I don't think I'm gonna make no stops in between. If we do, I'll bring y'all with us, but if not, we'll see y'all back at the house. Plus I gotta register all this stuff for the camera anyway, warranties and stuff like that. So I'm gonna do that once we get back to the house. And it actually came with like some freebies. I think like Shutterfly gave me some free something. I think it's like some prints or something, and it was something else. I get like free storage for my files with some company. It's all on the receipt at the house, but I'm gonna go ahead and do all of that once we get back to the house, and maybe do a little cleaning. I don't know if I'm gonna bring y'all along for the cleaning. Y'all know I don't like doing the household stuff, but yeah, so we'll see y'all once we get back to the house. Hey y'all, it is Sunday. We are about to not start our day, but we're about to get out the house for a little bit, take the little one to a park so we can have a little family fun today. I'm sure we'll end up grabbing some food or something while we're out. So I'm gonna take y'all along for the ride. It's a nice day. It's a little chilly, but it's a nice day to be at the park. And we pretty much got the park to ourselves. It's a couple kids out here. I'm not obviously gonna put them on video. It's a couple kids out here, but we're having fun.
Make sure you're there. Perfect.
Here goes, guys.
Get it where the sun hit. Big mama.
Big old kid
Yeah.
out here in these streets. All right, y'all, we just wrapped up at the park. Now we're about to go get either some ice cream or a smoothie or something of that nature. So see y'all when we get there.
She sounded
And
real tired.
And I'll bring y'all inside with us.
Only on them seas if it's breeze. Red ruby the sleeves, Chinese on my sleeve. These wanna be Chinese anyway. Yeehaw. Who the fuck told bitches they was me now? I knew these bitches was slow. I ain't know these bitches see now. Married a shooter case you niggas tried to breathe loud.
All right, y'all, I decided to stay in the car. Madison and Chris are out. They're about to order for us. But yeah, I decided to stay in the car because that wind be tearing my ears up. I don't know what it is, but
anytime it's a little bit cold outside, if that wind gets in my ear too much, my ears start hurting. And it's not cold enough, I feel like, for like earmuffs and stuff. But I had my hood on earlier, and I'm like, nah, because I hate cold weather. So I'm gonna just sit in this car and be a passenger princess like the girls be saying, and I'm gonna chill. But I did tell them what type of ice cream I want. I wanted in a nice little, you know, cup or something, or a waffle cone. So I'll show y'all what I got when they get back in the car. Okay, you guys.
Thank you, baby.
You got me cookies and cream?
Yeah, cookies and cream with the waffle cone pieces.
Chris got me some cookies and cream ice cream with some waffle cone pieces inside. Let me see what you got.
So I was looking to see if they put waffle cone in mine too. I don't think they did.
Oh, okay.
But it was the James Brown Funky Jackhammer.
Alright, Madison, what you get back there?
So, pretzel caramel, I call it. Like, it has pretzels, caramel, and vanilla ice cream.
Bet. Alright, y'all. Definitely about to end this because I'm about to eat my ice cream. Bye.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast and you do what you want.
Alright, y'all. We just left the grandparents' house for a little Sunday dinner. I know we're good and satisfied. So this is going to conclude our day or our vlog for this Sunday. We're about to go home, shower, baths, and all of that, and we're gonna call it a night. See y'all tomorrow. Hey y'all, wanted to come do a quick what am I wearing session with y'all before me and Madison head out to the place that I can't stand, which is the grocery store. But it won't be a long run, it'll just be a short run because we just need to go pick up some fruit and some things that were not available with the pickup order that I had yesterday. So yeah, so back into the outfit. This is the Chillin' Like a Villain jumpsuit. I sell this at my boutique, which is called Nugent. If you are new here, it comes, or well, let me say it came. It came in originally 3 colors: olive, almond, and black. And of course, this is the olive. I believe it's currently available in a taupe color. Don't quote me on that, just go on the website if you are interested. I paired it with my black little square toe flat sandals from, I believe, Miss Lola. I got these online, and then my LV Palm Springs mini, and then just my classic everyday gold jewelry, necklace, hoop earrings, my fave watch, and then of course my wedding ring, and that's it. So this is the look, and the jumpsuit does have pockets on both sides. It's super comfortable. It is a super relaxed fit. I like to pull the pants legs up. They kind of go around your ankle. Ankle like jogger pants, but I honestly don't like that look. I like the look like this because it gives it like that harem loose fit in the midsection. So yeah, y'all, that completes my look. I will see y'all in the next few minutes, and we'll head on to the store.
Fucking rubber tussin'. I don't know how this shit got me lazy right now, yeah. Can't do Percocets on my leg. I'm turning one, trying to live it up. Yeah, right, baby, yeah.
Alright, y'all, we made it to the store. We're about to go in. This is about to be a very quick trip because like I said, real talk, but you ain't better be me. But yeah, so like I said, we only need fruit, and then I think I forgot maybe like 1 or 2 things on the grocery pickup from yesterday. So I'm gonna grab those things, and then we're gonna be up out of here because y'all know I do not like the grocery store.
And I do.
Even though I keep finding myself in there multiple times a week, as much as I don't like it, we be needing stuff. So see y'all inside.
Can I smoke you like something? Yeah, yeah. Can I drink you like something? Oh, yeah, yeah. Can I smoke you like something? Yeah. Hey, yeah, yeah, yeah. Can I drink you like something? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Can I smoke you like something? Drink you like something? Can I stay till the night? Every time we stop, we'll just start again. Can I smoke you like something? Drink you like something? Can I stay till the night? When it's you and me, we ain't gotta pretend.
They don't have the spinner though.
Well, it looks like this is their jelly bean section. So if they had the spinner, I'm pretty sure it'll be over here with the jelly beans. It might be something we need to look up.
Oh wait, I think I see it. I see it.
This is what Madison chose.
I want to. Yep, we're gonna do that challenge.
And these are those, I think, those probiotic sodas.
I'll eat them.
Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna try these. Let me get a couple flavors so we can try these. These are these prebiotic sodas everybody's talking about. Let's get orange, raspberry, ginger lime. Huh, they even got a root beer. That's what's up.
I hope you get the popcorn flavor.
We're gonna do a challenge?
Yes.
Okay, we'll try these.
Excited.
Girl, they don't care about these.
Hey, that.
Okay. Chips. And then your pancakes.
Chips and pancakes.
Yeah, that's right.
Ew, those big pretzels.
I don't know.
What?
You meet them big old pretzels. Which kind you want to get?
Okay.
And you said you wanted to get the
Olivia.
cotton candy.
No, we don't have to get that. I don't really want it.
I like some cotton candy, so.
Okay, we can get it. I forgot how good it tastes. If you don't eat it all, then we gonna need two.
You say what?
If you're gonna eat it all, then we gonna need two.
Excuse me. Go ahead and grab it. You don't know where you going. Spoons.
Wait, let me look at this pose. Make sure you're doing the right choice. Right. No, they're kidding.
This might not have today.
Oh, there they are.
Okay, yeah. Go ahead. You get one. Because you really don't want to eat them.
Yep, I got everything I need. I'm too happy we got those jelly beans though.
I wasn't expecting them to be here, to be honest. Look at this waffle ball. Albertsons was slacking, but Market Street not slacking.
They even got waffle cones. This is real scary.
Okay. We can get like some ice cream bars.
Ooh, I didn't see that.
Do you see any good ice cream bars to get?
I'm trying to look for the one. Yep. Down. Yeah.
The mag?
Yep.
Okay. Might be 2 feet. Okay, there goes some hot dogs.
Oh yeah, we got double the ice cream.
All the doubles. Alright, y'all, we had a successful store run. They had everything we needed. I did not like the fact that they did not have a lot in their fork and spoon boxes, like their plastic forks and spoons. They had like these really small quantities. I didn't like that, so I figured I'll probably go get those from Amazon. But we're about to head back home, and then once we get home, I'll show y'all what we got. All right, y'all, here's another section of what did we buy at the store. We got some grapes that are already washed because, yep, time saver. We got some bananas for my old husband. Not just when I eat them too, but no, we got some bananas, and I got some apples. The apples really weren't looking that great, so I didn't get that many of those. We got some of those prebiotic sodas that the TikTokers are raving about. This is the Poppy brand, and we got ginger lime, watermelon, got root beer because I actually love root beer soda, so I'm like, let me try that. And then the last flavor we got was just a regular orange. And then y'all saw me show y'all the waffle bowls because Albertsons was slacking, but like I said, Market Street had them, so I had to get those. We also got, let me see. Oh, those are the apples. I should have left them out. Cotton candy, because Madison had some cotton candy a few weeks ago and I ate it and I told her I would replace it. So we got 2 this time. It's really good. I love cotton candy. So yeah, and then Madison got these Bean Boozled jelly beans, so she can do her jelly bean challenge that we'll be recording tomorrow. And then Madison likes to get her little snack pack grapes that comes with the cheese, so she got these. Can you pass me the next bag, please, sir?
No, I think that's enough for the butter.
Anyways, okay, and I got the Taylor Farms Caesar salad chop kit because the Dole brand, the lettuce ain't that green and I don't like that. So I got the Taylor Farms, so I got excited if they had that brand for me. Madison got her mini chocolate chip pancakes from Eggo because Kroger, with our pickup order, did not have these. So we went ahead and got those. We got some Haagen-Dazs minis because we love these. And then Madison chose the Magnums because she loves these. We've been getting these like the past, I don't know, a couple times we went grocery shopping. And we needed some more chips. Madison chose the cheddar and sour cream. And of course, we got strawberries because we be needing a lot of fruit in the morning time with our breakfast. And that concludes our grocery run for tonight. I would say this was a successful grocery run. They had everything we needed. So yep, see y'all later. Good evening. Oh, you guys are so loud. Nah, good evening, y'all. We are about to do a family jelly bean challenge. This ain't even for your channel, this for me. This for my vlog. Girl, you better get away. So yeah, we're about to do a family jelly bean challenge. I don't know what the exact challenge is called, but
Bean Boozled.
Bean Boozled? Okay, Madison said it's Bean Boozled. It's the jelly beans that we have been looking for every single time we went to any type of store, Five Below, all of that. When we went to the store last night, Market Street actually had it. So, of course, we picked it up. And if you saw the last vlog, you saw that we got it. So, stay tuned for this content on Madison's channel. I'll be sure to plug it down below. But that's what we're doing tonight. Just to give you a recap of our night, we just got through eating. I made me some birria, birria tacos. That's what me and Chris ate. Madison ate regular tacos because she don't be going for all them flavors and all that. But that's what me and Chris had. We're satisfied. So yeah, that completes our night for the most part. We're about to do this challenge, and then after that we'll be, you know, doing our oral hygiene, you know. I don't know why y'all make me see. All right, y'all. So I'll holler at y'all later, and if not later tonight, it'll be tomorrow. See y'all later. Okay, to check out the jelly bean challenge, click the link in the description box and go to Madison's channel. Hey y'all, good evening. I am about to do a quick little makeup look so that I can get some content done for my business. I need to shoot some fashion content as far as like reels, TikToks, all of that. And then I also need to take some pictures for some new arrivals that I got for my business. So I need to take some pictures for the website. So that's what I'm about to do now, and I figured I'll just show y'all how I get ready. And obviously I am not a makeup artist, so don't be on here looking for no makeup tutorials. I just do a little simple, I guess you could say neutral looks that go with all my clothes. So I don't do a lot of eyeshadow and stuff like that. Madison be talking trash because she's like, why you don't never do no eyeshadow? Why you don't do the pinks and da 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 da? I be like, all of that do not match all of these different clothes that I be needing to take pictures for. So I tell her I keep it simple when I do my makeup. So yeah, I got y'all propped up on the tripod. That's why you're at an angle. I'm sitting at my vanity. So first I like to go ahead and knock out my brows. I know I needed to clean my makeup brushes, but I don't have time tonight because we also have a grocery pickup order that we put in a couple hours ago. It's supposed to be ready in like 15 minutes or so. So I was not about to go grocery shopping. I don't told y'all I don't like grocery shopping. I be dead serious. So we put in that grocery order, so I ain't have to worry about it today. And Chris volunteered to go, but I don't be wanting him to waste time grocery shopping either. So I'd rather put in the orders for us to just pick them up. So the first thing I do, I was just getting all my other stuff out that I'm gonna need. First thing I do is I go in and I guess you could say shape my eyebrows. Hopefully y'all can see it from this angle. Let me tilt y'all a little bit more. Okay, hopefully y'all can see it. I try to get it as close to my eyebrow shape as possible. I don't have like super thin eyebrows, but I don't have like super thick ones neither, so I try to just go in and kind of mesh the shape. It's actually easier to do when you have your eyebrows like arched or waxed or whatever, but for whatever reason, no matter if I get my eyebrows waxed or arched, my face always break out. So I haven't gotten my eyebrows waxed or arched. It's been a while. It's been over a year, I know, because no matter who waxes them or arches them, my eyebrows will always break out. And you know what? The only person who's ever arched my eyebrows and they didn't break out was my homegirl. She the only one that has successfully arched my eyebrows and my face didn't break out. So shout out to Alicia. Cause she the only one. And she stays a little further out. Cause if she didn't, I probably would hit her more frequently to do my eyebrows. Cause I be in need. Okay, let me see. I try not to get too close to the middle cause I don't be wanting no unibrow. Okay, so that's me just kind of outlining them, and then I go in very lightly because that's another reason why I hadn't been doing my eyebrows in a while. I was tired of ripping my eyebrows out for whatever. I guess I was too rough, I don't know, but when I would go in either while I was doing my eyebrows or after the fact when I was removing all the makeup off my face, I noticed that my eyebrows was getting thinner and thinner. I'm like, clearly I'm snatching them out my face at this point because I don't get nothing else done to them. And they was starting to disappear a little bit. Like, not fully, but I was like, So I had held off or stopped completely doing my eyebrows because I was like, let me give them time to get full again. Because I'm like, they starting to look a little funky. So that's why I had stopped doing my eyebrows. So for the first, probably, I don't know, 10 vlogs or so, I was not doing my eyebrows. I was just doing my lashes, an eyeliner, lip gloss. That's it. Because I was not about to be out here looking a mess with no eyebrows or continuing to rub them out or whatever I was doing. Y'all hear random screaming in the background. That's Madison and Chris outside with our neighbors. Alright. Okay. I guess I can work with that for now. My nose itching. Okay. After that, I go back and just kind of fill it in where need be. And then I get some of this brow filler and I just kind of slide it to the edge just to kind of give it a more natural look. 'Cause I don't be wanting it to be too, I guess, over the top and like dark. Sometimes I overdo it, but okay, I'm gonna leave them like that, and then I'm gonna just fix anything that needs to be fixed. Take my ring off. Fix anything that needs to be fixed with the concealer. So I use the can see some makeup on her. But yeah, I use the LA Girl Pro Conceal HD concealer, and this is the color Warm Honey. Get a little closer. Yeah, this is the color Warm Honey. And I used to squeeze it out on the back of my hand, but that concealer, it be stuck, like stuck. And I be having to get some Dawn dish liquid just to get it off. So now I just squeeze it on my vanity, and then I just wipe it off with some alcohol once I'm done. So I got a little circle on my vanity, and then I get my little brow brush, and then I just dab it on the edges, and then just start shaping my brows. About to be time to pick up these groceries. Tell them that I'm on the way, so that they don't put our groceries back. Alright, let me hurry up and finish my eyebrows. All right, I'm going to put on my, what brand is this? Kiss Lash Glue Liner. I had just recently got some. I think I messed it up with some eyeshadow, so I had to get another one. I ordered this off Amazon, so it will be in my Amazon storefront. Shake it up. It's like a felt tip marker. So I use this because it dries really fast, and anytime I would use like regular lash glue or like hair glue for my lashes, it would be too thick, it would dry slow, and it would always get on my real eyelashes, and I was pulling my real eyelashes out. So this is what I use now, and it is a game changer. See that? It go on so flawlessly, so quick. Okay. And I'm pretty sure I got these lashes from the beauty supply, but these are the lashes that I use. I can't be using them little small lashes because I have big eyes, so I can't be using them little bitty lashes because nobody will be able to see them. They won't stand out good. And sometimes I use the little slanted lash tweezer things, but I'm kind of rushing because I want to get to this grocery pickup order before they put my stuff back. Hey, that's that one. Put the other lash on. Okay, these are the lashes. I haven't put on my eyeshadow yet. I'm gonna do that. My box of crayons eyeshadow. So, like I said, I like to use neutral colors. So I'm gonna go in with this brown. My bad. Go in with this brown, and then I put it right above where I put the eyeliner. I would have put on the eyeshadow before I put on the black eyeliner on my lid, but I think that's how I messed up that lash glue liner last time. I think that's why it started being real stiff and it dried up. I think too much eyeshadow got on the felt tip and it dried up because I hadn't had that last one that long. So I'm gonna start doing my eyeshadow after the lashes, and I just, like I said, put it right above that liner. And I put black eyeliner on my waterline. I don't know what I did with my black. Oh, there it go. Got it in this Ziploc bag that I be keeping in my purse so no makeup gets in my purses. So this is my black eyeliner. I want to say I got it from the beauty supply. I don't even know what brand this is. It's something New York. It's faded off. Well, anyway, let me close up this eyeliner. But yeah, I put this on my waterline. To me, it helps out the overall makeup look around your eyes. So that's what I do. You won't have much left, baby. It's low. But I put that around my waterline. Okay. So that's pretty much all I do. Sometimes I go around my face with concealer. If I have like any like blemishes and dark marks, I'm gonna keep it a buck. Besides that spot right there that I concealed in the middle of my eyebrows, my face has been clearing up really well using that pan oxal that I showed y'all in a couple of vlogs or whatever. So I'm not gonna do no foundation. I'm not even gonna do no concealer in any spots. I think this will suffice for the pictures because like I said, I like to do a neutral look so that I'm not having to constantly change the eyeshadow and stuff like that. So yeah, this is it. I'm about to get ready to run to this store and I will show y'all how I go about creating my content for my business in a minute when I get back. Alright y'all, I decided to go ahead and bring y'all with me since this is just a quick grocery pickup. I'm about, I don't know, 15 minutes or so after my scheduled time, but I made sure to let them know that I was on the way so they didn't put my food back up. I think I had like at the latest 9 o'clock to come get it, so I should be good.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only feel like words. Life moves fast.
Alright, I just got to Kroger. I'm about to let them know that I'm here. Last time my lighting was better than this, but it's all good. Hello.
Pick up for Princess Nugent. Thank you. Have a good night.
Thank you. You too. Key battery low, replace soon. Boy, I ain't replaced that key since I got it. Alright, y'all. Let me put my glasses back on. Bobby out here running into stuff. Alright, about to head back to the house. I have no clue what we're having for dinner. So guess we'll figure that out once I get back. And I got y'all on my new dash mount. The suction wasn't good enough for the dashboard. I tried it on the windshield. It's at a very strange angle the way the mount is set up, so I'm gonna have to play with a couple of different spots on my windshield to see if I can get it to work, because it sticks really well to the windshield but the angle was just off, so I'm gonna have to play with it a little bit more because obviously my windshield is at a slant, so it was either too high or too low. So I'm gonna play with that some more probably tomorrow. I ain't gonna worry about it tonight. I ain't gonna be going nowhere else. Alright y'all, I'm heading back to the house. They had to cancel a bunch of my Karma waters because for whatever reason they don't keep a lot of them in stock, and every time we go we clear them out. I thought, you know, that would let them know that they need to order more, but I guess they only have so much shelf space. So I'm gonna need to go on Karma Water's website and see what other stores carry their brand, because not only me and Chris drink them, Madison drink them too, so we try to keep them in the house or whatever. But I'm gonna holler at y'all once I get back to the house. Gonna put up the groceries and then go ahead and start shooting my content. What y'all doing? The light is green. What are you doing? What are you doing? I'm about to blow. Oh, okay. Like, they was just sitting there and the light being green. I try not to blow it, folks, until I really need to. Alright, I came to show y'all my setup. So I have my tripod that's linked in my Amazon storefront, and then I have my ring light that I will try to link in my Amazon storefront because I did not get it from Amazon, but I think the brand is on Amazon. So I literally just shoot most of my fashion content with my phone, as you can see here on the tripod, and then I have the ring light to give me extra light. And I tried up against the wall with the plant and it just wasn't doing what I needed it to do. So I like to go ahead and do my website content with my phone because it's quick and it's easy
and it's just easier for me and faster. I can get that stuff up on the website literally in the next 30 minutes or so.
You make me feel these days. Some getting dry for you, baby girl. Smoking is a top for you, baby girl. Burn somebody block for you, the way you make me feel these days. Coming down my body for you, baby girl. Wipe them like you snotty for you, baby girl. Coming down my body. I got feelings for you. Hope you ain't loving the crew.
Y'all have a good night. Thank you for watching. See you on the next vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.